Hello, good morning, and it's been day 41, and um, these last few hours, it's 2 to 3 hours, has been kind of overwhelming. Not overwhelming in the bad sense, but it's in a good sense. It is for me because I download a social media app because I've not been using social media for these past few weeks, and I download TikTok because I'm planning to download all the songs that I think or I remembered that I like, and I remember that I saved those songs on TikTok app, so that's why I did download the TikTok. And initially I am just looking all the things that I've saved, and then I'm actually downloading it so that I can have the reference as well. And I started using the app for like 20 minutes. I think that's the maximum amount of time that I've been using it, or so I thought. Maybe it's 30 minutes, but it's not been an hour. But upon looking at the feed that I have, so it's not too much crazy. It's more about reminiscing past, especially the songs throwbacks back when 2013, or back when I was in elementary, you know, bef- before high school and stuff. So yeah, it just got to me, especially anime, because I've been watching animes a bunch. Like all my free time, I've been watching anime back then, and seeing edits of nostalgia, you know, kind of got to me, as well as um some spoken poetry, music about nature, and music's really delve into my soul, so that I really like listening to music. And I'm actually listening to pop type of music, pop, alternative rock, and I just I just got this feeling of reminiscing because I've been downloading all the songs, not really all, but you know back when I was a young man, or not a man, but yeah, I just want to share that.